design coach. If you are using the Bootstrap UI kit, then we check how to use it. Let's first I duplicate this component, and now I'm going to change its name. I go to details and new. Now you can change your brand name. See, easily it will be changed. Now we are going to change icon logo. See, it will be change icon logo. Again, now we are select navbar nav and its property nav items. Then just we go second and change the nav text about us. Again, we are just select the disable one, and now we go to default and we give the name contact us. So see, now you can easily use this component in your project. So after this we change the default logo. If you have a logo default, then how do we change? If you suggest you have a one of the logo this, and I just drag and put it into logo component. Now you can just see here, you will get the logo brand 3. See, it will be appear here your logo. Now we move with the mobile. I just duplicate this and default layout to mobile. See, you will see the mobile will be same layout. Now I just change the logo, change the text name. See, this will be reflect your UI. Thank you.